Hello, magical human. Welcome to your guided meditation. Thank you for choosing to meditate with me today in the Alignment Lounge. Your mindset can shift throughout your day. Let's take a moment to reset, relax, and recenter. Get into a comfortable position and align your shoulders with your hips. Easy breath in. Easy breath out. Close your eyes and listen to my voice. Easy breath in. Easy breath out. Focus in on your breathing. Relax your forehead. Relax your eyes. Relax your cheeks. Relax your jaw. Easy breath in. Easy breath out. Relax your throat. Relax your shoulders. Relax your chest. Relax your stomach. Easy breath in. Easy breath out. Relax your hips. Relax your legs. Relax your feet. Let go of any resistance, thoughts or feelings. Feel it drain out of your body and completely let it go. Easy breath in. Easy breath out. Take 3 deep breaths with an open mouth. And exhale. Blink open your eyes. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Thank you for sharing your meditation with me. Until next time, I bind you in white light to which no negative energy can enter.